As you can see, our light bulb is burnt out, comparing it to the other interior light bulbs. Our first step is to disconnect the negative terminal cable. Using a trim piece, we need to remove the plastic cover and pull out the socket and disconnect it from the cable. Once the socket has been removed, take out the light bulb and inspect the socket to ensure there is no damaged plastic or connectors. Using electronic cleaner, apply the product on both sides of the socket. Using a ripped piece of paper towel, apply to a toothpick and clean up the connector inside the socket. With the new light bulb, ensure using a paper towel to clean it up to ensure no oil from your hands burns it out. Reconnect the socket back to the cable, attach the plastic piece, then put back the socket back to its original location. Reconnect the negative terminal cable, then go make sure the light bulb still turns on.